This girl sprayed herself with fake frost to look completely frozen and decided to hide inside the fridge to prank her friend. When her friend walked into the kitchen, she started making food without noticing anything. The girl tried several times to get her attention, but she stayed completely distracted. Finally, when she opened the fridge and saw the girl looking frozen solid, she instantly freaked out. Worried, she rushed over to make sure she was okay. And right then, the girl did something completely unexpected. But first, which one do you love more? If you choose your mom, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Just scroll past if you choose the Switch. And if you truly love her, prove it by commenting, "I love you, Mom." Hopefully your mother will have a long life. She scared her.